What use is an F-call? I've now been an amateur for a little longer than a minute and a half, and my shed is beginning to resemble that of amateurs who've been at it for much longer than I. There's a workbench with 2 different types of soldering irons, boxes of connectors, spare antennas, rolls of cable, rope, clamps, testing tools, batteries, chargers, and the like. There's screwdrivers, spanners, toolboxes, and an overhead lamp and magnifying glass, and I'm already running out of room. I've always had a shed of sorts. I'm a bit of a pack rat, though I know others who take that moniker to an art form. I'm not yet that advanced. Call me an apprentice hoarder if you like. Today it occurred to me that what my challenge is, finding stuff, comes from something that I learned whilst travelling around Australia for 5 years. For everything there is a place. My current shed hasn't yet learnt that lesson, so I'm going to be spending a little time doing some storage research and doing some organising. Who knows, perhaps I'll take that inspiration and start cleaning up the club shack too. I'm Otto, Victor Kilo 6 Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.